This is a chunk of foam that you'd find inside most stock and aftermarket motorcycle seats. This is a slab of saddle gel removed from a Saddlemen seat. This is a smartphone containing all the photos, voice recordings, and text messages from 1 year of a life well lived. The impact of a bowling ball dropped from 6 feet in the air would deliver a pretty heavy beating to the glass screen of a smartphone. Kind of like how your tailbone takes a beating when you spend a day riding over potholes. If the only protection against that impact is a chunk of foam, your tailbone would be bruised, just like this screen is cracked. But if you swap out that foam for a slab of saddle gel, the screen and your tailbone will stay intact. For sustainable comfort and a longer ride, Saddlemen Seats with Gelcore Technology are an easy choice.